Hey everyone, this is Julie. Welcome back to Fearless Funnels, a decision support podcast for people evaluating whether or not FG Funnels is right for them. I want to do a short little episode on ManyChat because this comes up all the time. Can FG Funnels replace ManyChat? And I didn't mention ManyChat in earlier episodes because I wanted to give it its own its own episode, its own main character energy here. For those of you who don't know what ManyChat is a tool that allows you to do marketing in the DMs. It's a really fantastic tool. It's been around a while. There are some rules and regulations about it. And one of the most common ways people use ManyChat is they do a reel on Facebook or Instagram and they say, comment the word, donut, and I'll send you my coupon for $10 off in your DMs. So they comment the word donut and then ManyChat automatically sends them a DM and engages with them. ManyChat has very complex workflows for DMs. If you are using ManyChat and you're using a lot of the complexity, I recommend that you purchase FG Funnels and integrate your ManyChat with it. No big deal. That's easy to do. And keep your ManyChat for now. However, if you are kind of just getting started and you don't want to take on another software subscription, I recommend that you don't get ManyChat or pause your subscription and see if FG Funnels can replace what you're trying to do. In the case of the comment automation, FG Funnels does this very, very easily. You can absolutely do those DM automations and it integrates with Instagram. We also have integrations with WhatsApp and you can create those automations and then, to your heart's content. And one of the places that we teach this is in the Audience Builder Challenge. And the Audience Builder Challenge is a $97 2-week challenge where we aim to help beginners understand marketing and tech at the same time. And we take you through a 12-day sequence of learning how to build a lead magnet funnel. And because a lot of beginners don't have a huge ad budget, we recommend that you try doing organic reels with this comment in the comments below automation that then fires off the lead magnet in their DMs. If you want to actually test out the ManyChat functionality in FG Funnels, you should go through the Audience Builder Challenge, and it's free for any of our members. When you log in, you're going to go on the left and you're going to click Audience Builder Challenge. The setup for the comment automation happens towards the end of the challenge. If you want to watch the videos and see how we do it, for many people, that is enough to say, you know what, I'm going to get rid of my ManyChat subscription. But if you're doing things that are super complex, you may want to hang on to ManyChat for a bit longer until you're sure that FG Funnels can replicate the flow that you want.